All right, hello. I want to do a quick video introing week 2. I made some changes on Schoology actually this last Friday based on some conversations with colleagues. I thought this might be a little bit easier for organizational purposes. One, I started putting due dates on each assignment so that they'll show up on the calendar on the date that we're doing them. Please know that they're not really due till the next day, but this is the day they are assigned. So I set them up so that they would be assigned on this day and then due the next day. Okay, so those are just the little Schoology assignments. As far as these go, as grading wise, we decided as Algebra 2, we met this morning, this Friday, September 11th here we met, and we decided that the way they're going to be scored is they're going to just be rounded up. So you'll see a score out of 3, and if you get like even 2.01, that'll round up to 3. Obviously 2.5 would round up to 3, 2.4. And then if you get something like 1.8, that rounds up to 2. 1.01 would round up to 2 also. All right, so we're going to just round them that way. And you do have unlimited attempts, so if you want to try to improve your score, you can. All right, and then as far as getting help with the questions, right? So when you're done and you submit one of these assignments, it'll tell you which ones you got wrong, but it won't tell you the right answers. So if you need help with them, I'm going to start to make help videos. All right, so if you look at our first lesson from 2.1, as students started to ask questions on the different homework problems, I made a video for each homework problem. Okay, and I'll post them in those folders as they come up. So if you look, today is the 11th, and no one's asked any questions on this one yet, so there's no videos. But once they do ask, then I'll post them right below. All right, and if you haven't already noticed, I did change the setup so that these are now organized by chapter instead of weeks. I thought it'd be simpler that way. Like if you need to go back and find something from chapter 2, it'll all be in one spot. So you can see I've started to build out chapter 2. It's not done yet, but you can work ahead at the folders that I have posted here. I'll publish them as they're completed. So if you ever want to work ahead, but it's a different structure. Hopefully it makes sense. Please ask if it doesn't. So anyways, we are on the 14th, I believe, I'm on this lesson introduction here. So there is one quick blog post about what do you know about slope to start off, and then a couple of videos. All right, and then as always, the assignment. And then also, if there's a note sheet, and again, in class, if you're in class with me, I'll pass that note sheet for you to fill out in class. You don't have to use it if you're at home. It's just if you had access to a printer, you could print it and use it. But you can certainly just write in your notebook as normal. And then here's the completed notes also. As always, things are constantly changing and it's crazy. So please let me know if you have suggestions or if you have questions, just send me an email. All right, that's it. Good luck with week 2. We're mostly just going on and doing a bunch of different sections from chapter 2. And then we'll have a quiz coming in the following week. All right, thank you.